Developing tonight, a bill that would ban ghost guns advanced in the Minnesota Senate with the support of the Attorney General. Ghost guns can be 3D printed or assembled at home from kits and have no serial numbers. Danny Spiewak's live at the state capitol with more on the bill and some of the roadblocks it faces. Danny?
Well, in the last few hours, a DFL-led Senate Committee on the Judiciary advanced this proposal that would ban ghost guns statewide, and they sent it to the Senate floor where it could get a vote pretty soon. But it is likely to face tough opposition from Republicans in the tied House of Representatives this session.
In August 2023, Minneapolis police officer Jacob Spees left the hospital after surviving what Chief Brian O'Hara called an ambush attempt.
They were trying to kill whoever was in that car.
19-year-old Frederick Davis later pleaded guilty to attempted murder after police recovered a gun from the scene.
It is what's commonly referred to as a ghost gun. It's an unserialized firearm.
These ghost guns, which can be 3D printed or assembled from kits at home, have exploded on the streets in recent years, with no serial numbers attached.
Rendering these guns untraceable, which can significantly impede law enforcement investigations.
Attorney General Keith Ellison testified Monday in favor of a Senate DFL bill that would require owners of these guns to add serial numbers. Last year, the state Supreme Court ruled that current law only requires guns to have serial numbers if federal law mandates it.
This ruling has created a significant and I believe dangerous loophole in the state law.
The bill is opposed by the Minnesota Gun Owners Caucus and the National Rifle Association.
If you are a prohibited person and you're possessing, selling, or trying to manufacture, it's already against the law.
While the bill exempts antique firearms and offers a grace period for existing owners to add serial numbers, the Gun Owners Caucus argues that it would harm legal gun owners.
Senate File 3661 would make many of these privately manufactured firearms illegal to possess in Minnesota if they do not have a government-approved serial number. People who legally built firearms in the past could suddenly become criminals.
There are 15 other states in the U.S. that have some regulation at the state level around ghost guns. Minnesota, of course, is not one of them. But again, although this is moving through the Senate and going to the Senate floor in the tied House, very unlikely, where the Public Safety Committee co-chair, Representative Paul Novotny, has previously expressed his opposition to such proposals around ghost guns. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Danny.